Let's try ginseng. This is a root that's supposed to help with clarity of the mind, relaxation, energy boosts. It has a whole bunch of benefits. Some say it's true, some say it's not. I don't know, but I remember growing up in elementary school, some of my Chinese friends' moms used to make like a tea out of this and they used to drink it. It smells like wood and licorice. No, it's way too hard to take a nibble out of. It honestly tastes like I'm licking wood. And based off the type of ginseng, I know they can go from tens of thousands of dollars. But this whole packet cost me around 20 bucks. Oh god, that's way too hard to chop up. So I guess I'll add some pieces into a mug and just let this steep in some hot water. Oh, it is a little bit like licorice too though. So yeah, it's like wood and licorice. Yeah, not the most appetizing, but I don't know if you're supposed to put sugar in this. If you guys use ginseng, let me know how you guys use it. I don't know if this is actually going to help me with clarity in the mind, but if it does, great. If I had to rate the taste though, it isn't the best. I'm going to give this maybe 3.1 out of 10 for taste. But let's see if it helps in any other areas.